Hi, I am Nirmal and today we discuss about value analysis. The meaning of value analysis in operation management. The purchasing manager conducts value analysis that aims mainly at achieving cost effectiveness and maintaining the required level of quality. So, value analysis is an organized effort that studies in details the value of materials in an organizations. So, value analysis reviews the design changes with the objective of eliminating high cost materials and the materials that are technically obsolete and reducing the number of parts. So, after analysis or analyzing the function, the cost of materials, the purchasing manager evaluates the possibilities of using the materials. So, the value analysis can be defined as a process of systematic review that is applied to existing product designs in order to compare the function of the product required by customers to meet their requirements at the lowest cost consistent with the specified performance and reliability needed. So, the value analysis technique was developed after the Second World War in America of General Electric during the late 90s 40s because the world war there were storage of skilled labor and the shortage of skilled labor, raw materials and component parts at GE. So Lawrence D. Miles, Jerry Leftlow and Harry Editcher at GE looked for acceptable substitutes. So they noticed that these substitutions often reduce cost, improved product, or both. These lead them to the discovery of a systematic process for cost reduction without compromising on the desired quality of products. So they named their process as value analysis. So since this time, the basic value analysis approach has evolved and been supplemented with new techniques that have become available and have been integrated with the formal value analysis process. So today, value analysis is enjoying a reviewed popularity as competitive pressure are forcing companies to re-examine their product ranges in an attempt to offer higher levels of customizations without incurring high cost penalties. So, in parallel, many major corporations are using the value analysis process with their suppliers to extend the benefits of the approach throughout the supply chain. So, businesses big and small will therefore benefit from understanding and applying the value analysis process. It is likely that those companies that do not take the time to develop this capability will face an uncertain future as the lessons and problems of the past are redesigned into the products of the future. So, techniques of values analysis and engineering tells you why so much unnecessary cost exists in everything we do. How to identify clarify and separate cost, which bears no relationship to customers' needs or desires. How to place a dollar and cents value on different customers' functions. How to divide a problem into mind size steps, each one of which is solvable and some which solves the major problems. So, value analysis evaluates the materials by seeking answers to the following, as I mentioned right now. So, what is the function of the item? Is it possible to run the system without item? Can the item be substituted with a standard part? How much does the item cost? How much does the substitute, if any, cost? Can the functions performed by 2 or 3 materials be clubbed together and replaced by any other materials? So, value analysis involves the coordinated effort of the engineering products and the purchasing personnel and help in reviewing purchase activities to ensure that expenditure results in the receipt of appropriate value. So, value analysis is considered to be a process as opposed to a simple technique because it is both an organized approach to improving the profitability of product applications, and it utilizes many different techniques in order to achieve this objective. The step by step procedure of value analysis now I am discussing now. So, examine all the products and materials that are being recorded and identify each product, materials that needed an improvement. So, gather all possible informations about the design, cost, and so forth of the product. Form a team that includes experts from various functional areas that are related to the functions performed by the materials. Generate alternatives by generating new ideas and evaluate different ways of accomplishing the task. Evaluate the alternatives of criteria like cost, feasibility, and eliminate the non feasible alternatives. Refine the feasible alternatives and select the optimal one. So, thanks a lot for watching.